Can Melanie and I come visit?
Yes.
Amazing.
Do we do it? Answer. Basically, I left my wallet in my friend's car.
You got something on your mind. I can tell by the way you crack a smile. When you leave the room, it gets so cold.
The sickest thrift store ever. This is insane. Like, I think I could spend forever here. Guys, we found an amazing restaurant.
Story short, things are just really working out. Things keep going wrong, but even though they're going wrong, it's really great. Okay, well, yesterday, we missed our flight. And then after missing our flight, we were able to get candy. We were able to get coffee. Bagels. We had more time. We got to stop in Dallas. And then we got to see the sunset on the plane. And it was amazing. Oh, and then today, what did we do? Oh, we woke up at 10. Yeah, we woke up pretty late. Then we went to Vanessa's favorite restaurant, but they were takeout only, so then we were bummed. But then we came to this place and it looks amazing. We had to wait. We were like, oh, because we're so hungry. But then we found the most amazing thrift store. We also got some bomb coffee, and yeah, life is just great.
Look at that.
Like it's something that is real. Like we want to get away. But now we can feel, well, different air.
That was the most embarrassing thing ever. Like, literally nothing happened. I just threw it. Let's see if the footage is there. We're going to see the beach!
Whoa,
Guys! It's the beach! Look at it. It's so beach!
see the sunrise on the East Coast. See it set in San Francisco.
We got it, y'all. Look at that. Taste test.
10 out of 10.
Oh.
I almost started to cry when I ate this. This is just so good. This is so good. It's the simple things in life. I can eat this every day for the rest of my life.
So good. We're literally sitting on the floor eating this. This is like leaving my sleepover party outfit.
Take my car and I hit the road. Watch the trees and I smoke my drove hours.
It's like I'm seeing life for the first time. Where are we going? Look, we're vlogging together. Oh my god. Yesterday was amazing, but something about waking up this morning, like I feel high on life. Like, life is so beautiful. I'm so happy. I think it has so much to do with like it being sunny and pretty out and starting my day with coffee, which is kind of bad, but it's literally so beautiful. Life is beautiful. I'm just so happy. I'm doing class. Nessa's gonna cut his hair. A lot going on.
Everything. Hold my pride when I go outside. Tell my mama I'll be home. Come on.
Yeah. First time taking the train. This is exciting stuff. We feel like Divergent.
Go back to the place I've been. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful. This is crazy.
Today. And I've been astray too long. I've been astray too long. I just want.
You're on Zoom? Okay. Sure. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Mel.
How are you?
Why did Mom hand me the phone?
Because I missed you. I wanted to say hi.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, how's the weather down there?
It's cold.
Is it cold?
Yeah. Hi, Russell. Wanna guess where I am?
At someone's house or something.
No. Want a surprise?
What is this place? Looks like a hotel or something. Are you in a different city?
Yeah.
Should I be able to, what, San Francisco?
Nope. We flew.
Flew to a different city?
Yeah. See?
Is this someplace I've been to before?
I think you've been here. We are in Chicago.
Oh, what do you want to go there for?
Guys, I made an accident. Well, unfortunately, I made brownies, but I later realized that Michael only gave us permission to use his kitchen. And unfortunately, I read that as his entire kitchen. So I made his brownies. I love it. He's really posing for us.
Yeah, here, I'll show you my Facebook portrait.
Wait. That should be your Airbnb profile picture. We would have booked the whole week if we saw that.
You would have booked the whole week?
Oh, yeah. He's showing his TikTok.
Another metaphor is what I always pounded. This one is number one. Lead, don't follow.
I like it.
Lead. Sometimes you don't want to know everything. Sometimes you don't, like I was saying in art, you don't want to know it. You don't want that to be your life. It's an instrument. Life is, 3D. In Jungle Book, the big bear, and the big bear says out of nowhere one time, the Indian boy was having a bad time, and the big bear goes, fall apart in my backyard. That means you come and surrender. Don't have to worry about a thing. Come to my backyard, fall apart.
Yeah.
Right?
Like, I would have never met either of them without them.
Oh yeah, actually.
We all met from the internet.
Yeah.
Well, that's the new norm.
Yeah.
Excellent. You see, I grew up next door to my friends.
I met her 2 months ago, and we moved in together before we ever met in person.
It's currently 2:30 a.m. We talked with Michael for like 3 hours. I'm still trying to do my math homework. They made this. Looks so good though, right? No. Are you sure? No. Did you rush right? 30. We're making mug cakes. Okay, taste test. Ooh. It just looks terrible. I would agree. That was just lightning.
Looks pretty epic.
I'd be nothing without you.
This is our room.
Ooh, there'd be no song without you.
Look at her.
You saved me.
So
Wow.
oh my gosh. Michael, you have outdone yourself. This is amazing.
That's the Hall of Mirrors.
Whoa, and this is where we were earlier, up there.
You see this in the morning.
Oh my gosh. Guys, look at the butterflies.
This is Carlotta. Say hello, Carlotta.
Hi, Carlotta.
She's the lady of the house.
Really?
So these are the same plants that are in my house. Kitchen.
When I worry about some stupid shit, you always reassure.
This is better than a hotel. It has so much personality.
It's better than a hotel.
Definitely.
Exactly.
Exactly.
It's got a carrot jar.
Ooh, I'd be nothing without you.
These are my pieces.
That is beautiful. Wow.
How fun is this?
So fun. I love it.
More paintings by the Swiss woman.
Ah, we love her.
And then this is mine.
I just took my Excel exam. I'm in my sorority class Zoom right now. Yay. That looks so good. That was really good bread. No, like the outside, such nice texture.
Closer.
Ooh.
You want cheese or?
Oh, that's get everything on it. It just tastes like pizza, but I mean,
I really enjoy this like pizza.
let's try again. How do you eat like that? Look at this. Delish.
Phenomenal.
We're getting ready. Okay, Vanessa, please. It isn't easy, but I'll try. If you wanted the sky, I would ride across. Fits for today, and we are getting coffee.
I asked her to stay, but she wouldn't listen. And she left before I had the chance to say.
Aw, the fall leaves and everything. Of course, we would make it to a candy store. We love chocolate and candy, so. Wow.
Ladies, what else can get you?
What is your favorite?
Different flavors.
You have
like
to.
them all. Sometimes you want a macadamia, sometimes you want a pecan or a cashew.
I know.
See, it depends what your mood for. Dark chocolate peanut.
Alright, I'll get that one.
One?
That one. That one's beautiful. Oh man.
Oh, you're happy.
I'll do two. 2 pretzels.
Oh, you're really taking chances.
I really am.
What else, dear? Happy?
Yes, I'm very happy with this.
You're 2 good shoppers, both of you.
Oh, thank you.
Taste test finished.
We just spent like $10 on chocolate.
Every night you cry yourself to sleep, thinking why does this happen to me? Why does every moment have to be so hard?
Look at that, that's hot. I just know, there's words on it. Do you see that? I want to break it open. I'm gonna break mine open. We need to do a cheese pull. Not to be dramatic, but ow. Thank you. So, do you see that? That was nice, that was nice. Look at the steam. This is fabulous. We've been inspired while we were here to make so many different things. For starters, banana pudding. Second off, cheesy bread. I think my favorite part was whatever day we talked to Michael for 2 hours.
Favorite moment though for me, dancing in the rain.
I did enjoy dancing in the rain though.
That night with the brownies.
That night was hilarious.
So fun.
It was just so fun.